Okay, so this morning we're looking at GBP retail sales with Eurgbp. We've taken a few trades off this trend line. If we look descending channel for price to break out up, we've got a lovely doji over there with price now coming down for entry to create a wick. So we expect this to break out to the upside. I'll be taking a buy right there to go up. Then correlating to that, we've got GU. If we look on the 4-hour, bearish engulfing, descending channel for price to break out to the downside. And then, so what we're looking for is just a wick up, 50% of that bearish engulfing, which we currently already have on the 4-hour, as well as then price to break out to the downside. So we expect this figure, it's coming out, being released in 5 minutes. So this retail sales figure to come out red. So then that will push GU down and will push EG up. Let's see what we get. Okay, so with the retail sales that was released, if I quickly look at it, retail sales came in green at 1%. The rest of the figures did, however, come in red. So that I'll show you how I interpreted that. I expected this figure to come in red. However, it did come in green. So what happened was I took my entry after that doji after that doji candle. Price went down, so we had drawdown, and then price came all the way back, and as you can see, exceeded. I think it carried on from entry. If I quickly have a look there, it carried on 36 pips. However, with this candle being very bearish, I knew there was a 50% retracement with the rejection of the 61.8 as well as the minus 61.8. I got out at break even, I think 1 or 2 pips in profit even, and price continued up. If this was a bullish engulfing, then fair enough, but there was nothing here telling me it was going up from there besides this doji candle and then just that as a fake out. However, yeah, price went as expected. However, with my trade, I got out at 2 pips in profit, nothing major, but it was Friday evening, Friday afternoon. The market was the last half of the last day of the week, so not lots of people trading that time. So and the other pair we were looking at was GU. If we look at GU, we had this channel to break out to the downside again at that retail sales figure coming in green, sent this to create that wick, just inverted hammer after that red candle, inverted hammer. It is a significant wick. There's also another significant wick on that side. So we did have that to come down, giving me a bias that it will come down. However, I did get into this trade and price came in, hit. We had a smaller degree, if I look here on the 1 hour, smaller degree extension level being hit, but I got out again break even purely because of this figure coming in green. However, the rest of the GBP figures were red, so it wasn't looking good for the UK. However, being Friday, I decided I was going to close out the week and ended in break even, so there was no loss for me, so I was happy with that. Which are, that's EG and GU. Hi guys, I'm Connor, a full-time trader. If you're interested in trading like me, visit the website below or click on the link in description.